Well, what the president said yesterday is that one big beautiful bill is a great name for it when it's a bill, but now it's law. And now we have to actually explain to the American people, we've got to do the job of politics and actually talk to the American people what's in the bill. And the reality is, it's the biggest working families tax cut in a generation. It increases the child tax credit. It eliminates taxes on tips. I knew a lot of folks who depended on tips when I was growing up, a lot of single moms who waited tables who are now going to get a big tax cut because of this legislation. It eliminates taxes on overtimes. I know a lot of people who work those extra 10, those extra 20 hours a week, and our view is that if you're going to work all those extra hours, the federal government ought to keep its money out of your pocket. And there's a lot of other good pieces of good tax news for the American people that we just got to talk about. We got to make sure that people are aware what's actually in this legislation, because I think when they realize what's in it, they're going to be very gratified that their federal government is working for them. And the most important thing is we're making it easier to build a business, to create a job, to work a job in the United States of America, while simultaneously punishing people for building businesses overseas. We want to invest and save and build things in America and reward people for doing so. But if you're going to build a factory in some foreign country, that's what the tariffs do. The tariffs actually penalize you for building overseas, while the working families tax cut rewards you for building something here in the United States of America. And I think it's part of a whole economic agenda that finally puts the federal government back on the side of American workers and back on the side of American businesses. So I don't think it's you asked about the healthcare question. So if you actually look at what we've done on rural healthcare, we inherited a country where the rural healthcare system in this country was completely falling apart because the Biden administration had chronically underinvested in it. Thanks to the working families tax bill, we put billions of dollars into rural healthcare that's going to solidify some of these rural healthcare systems. And the only people who are going to lose access to federal healthcare benefits are two groups. Number one, people who refuse to even look for a job. And number two, people who don't have the legal right to be in this country, illegal aliens. I happen to think that if you won't even look for a job and you're in this country illegally, you should not receive federal health care benefits. That is a principled disagreement with our Democratic friends, but it's a disagreement and it's something I think the American people support, and I think they're on our side, again, especially when they learn what's in this legislation that's going to help them out.